Okay.
Tell us what's happening.
Hey everybody! This is Cooking with Dr. Doug Cocktail Edition. If you're like me, you're gonna need some alcohol. And if you're also like me, you're gonna need to conserve or maximize the alcohol.
For coronavirus purposes.
Indeed. So we are making normally what we only make at Thanksgiving and at Christmas, the holiday slush. We're going to call it the Corona slush, I guess? No, just slush. So this requires alcohol, vodka. We've got our good friend Kettle One here. What we did, or the way that we make this is in a pot we brew 8 cups of green tea. And then we also put in these fruit juices, so the concentrated juices that you get at the supermarket in the frozen section. We use limeade, and this has lemonade in it, and orange juice, and then we also got the strawberry daiquiri one this time, which is pretty good. Sometimes
you can also use cranberry juice concentrate.
Cranberry is good too.
Or grape juice concentrate is wonderful as well.
So fruit juice, concentrated fruit juices, 8 cups of green tea, and a bottle of vodka. Don't worry, little vodka man. We'll drink you soon enough. This is then going to go into the freezer and keep the spoon in it so you can keep stirring it. And then it'll get into kind of a slush, half-frozen sort of thing that you can... Did I get all of it?
It is important to stir periodically during the freezing process.
Serve it over your favorite cola. We like to serve it over Squirt.
Not cola.
You know what I mean.
No. Lemon lime soda.
Soda, cola, whatever.
If you can find it, we can't find Squirt here on the East Coast, but if you can find Squirt, it's the best.
Yep.
Ginger ale is wonderful.
Ginger ale would be good
Fresca
too.
is good. 7-Up is good.
You drink a few of these by 11 a.m. and the rest of the day is going to go okay.
Oh, goodness sakes, Doug.
All right. That's all of that one. That'll work. We're going to put that right into the freezer.
There we go.
Be ready tomorrow.